we're out here in the Mojave Desert.
This wasn't us.
No, never. I don't do that.
Not that we don't. We
Well,
can't. We don't know how to do a perfect circle.
Exactly. And this right here was obviously done by a professional on a closed course. So
It almost looks like a one-wheel peel.
this is one tire fire right here, dude. This is what went down right here. Anyways, you know, we're out here. Man, my car's dirty. I wish I could just get free stuff to clean my car. Oh wait, you can! Because we're doing a giveaway. I don't know what you're doing. My car's dirty. I wish I had some speed wipe. Enter the giveaway. There's speed wipe in the giveaway, man. I wish I had some wax, you know, because, oh wait, there's wax with the giveaway. Also, my tires and the rubber and the plastic trim is really dirty. Dude, don't show them the dirt. We're doing a giveaway, dude. So I don't know what you're doing, who you're talking to. How do I get in?
How do you get entered? Okay.
Give me
Requirements.
Hey, B. How you doing?
Good, guys. Right. Nice cars.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Go ahead. Ah, he's scared.
Nah. For the giveaway. Point that on me. So we're doing the giveaway. It's gonna be a Chemical Guys starter pack from them. It's gonna come with a bunch of detailed stuff. Ben already said what's gonna come with it.
Some of the stuff.
For the most part. Requirements. Give me a second.
Give him a second, dude. Booyah. Hit it.
First requirement, like the post and comment in the shit. First requirement, like the post and comment down below, and you have to tag 3 other people. Second requirement, have to be subscribed to the channel. Shit, man.
You have to look it up again?
No.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Now that they're gone.
Now that they're gone. He's ready.
Second requirement, you have to be subscribed on our YouTube channel. Here, come to the back. And
Right there, dude.
You have to have notifications set on all, okay? And you have to DM us that exactly on Instagram. That's gonna be the main requirement that is needed for the giveaway. Third one, like the post.
You said that.
Oh, third one, follow us on IG. Yeah, like I said, I stated all these requirements already, but if you don't understand it for whatever reason,
If you're a moron,
yeah,
idiot.
go to our Instagram page. All the requirements are set right there, and we're gonna announce the giveaway in a week exactly. A week from now is October 10th, right? Right. Might be around like 12ish, I would say.
In the middle of the night?
No, yeah.
It's free stuff. You don't like free stuff? Get out of here.
Follow our page, subscribe to the channel, notifications to all. Comment down below and tag 3 people in Instagram.
Boom, and it's just like that, man.
Just like that. Where the heck is it? Like, here's a butter wet wax though.
Butter wet wax.
I use this stuff on my car all the time. This stuff.
Put it on right now.
freaking
Put it on the car.
No, it's gonna be. Look, I even got another one unopened.
Maybe that's the one we give away. The one that's all hot in your car.
Yeah, it's all wet.
That's what she said. Hell yeah. You want to win the giveaway, man? Go like the post, do all the requirements. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. So next time we post something gangster.
Ben, I found it.
Hell yeah.
It was in here the whole time.
Thank you, sir. See you later.